Hey guys, Jeremy from Dexon, and today we're going to show you the new tub light upgrade that we have available for the Ford Rangers and the Volkswagen Amaroks. Just a quick note though, at the moment we're not going to say they're compatible with any of the models fitted with the factory Ford roller shutters. Don't worry, we should have the solution shortly, but for the meantime, anyone that doesn't have the Ford roller shutter, these things are good to go as long as you've got the tub body in, so no canopies, sorry. But jumping into it, just with a quick unboxing, in the box here, you'll find the instruction guide, and you're just going to have 2 units of the actual tub light upgrade, and on top of that underneath are just some different spaces. We'll show you what they do shortly once we jump in the car, but yeah, you will need them for the installation. And in terms of tools, just a T30 Torx key, and that's all you'll need. All right, so we're in the back of the vehicle now, just in the tub. So we're going to show you on this Raptor here. This is actually one of the easier ones to install. For some reason, the opening here is a bit wider than the other ones, but it's pretty simple either way. Just undo these 2 bolts on the sides. Keep these bolts aside because you do need them to install the Dexon upgrade kit. All right, once we've got these out, we've tried it 1,000 times on which way is easiest. All I've found is reach under and give it a quick yank. The reason I say we've tried 1,000 times is there are 2 little clips here at the bottom, and you just want to try and avoid breaking them. So careful, you know, harsh, it's luck of the draw. I'm going to leave that plugged in for a second, just because I don't want to lose this. Be mindful that if you let that go and it falls down, you're going to have a fun time trying to get that plug back out. Talking about the spaces now, so this one here, this tub light, doesn't actually have any rubber here. There are some models that have the rubber just in this little spot there. That's just to create space. So this is actually a painted liner. The difference is there are ones with plastic lining, which creates a little bit of a gap here. Hence, some of them will have a little rubber spacer there. So we include 2 sets for ours. Essentially, once you've pulled this out, you'll be able to figure out which one you need. If there's no rubber there, use the thin ones, and if there is the rubber piece, you'll need the thick ones. How they mount up is, you'll see there is a direction and a little lip, and they just simply slide into the sides here. All right, so that's good to go now. We do include a plug on the light. That's just for anyone that wants to get a bit creative and mount this anywhere. It doesn't actually need to go in the tub. We've had one of our team members mount it up to the top of his headboard, which is quite useful. So if you want to get creative, that's there for you. For those actually fitting it to the Ford, just pull this little red tab back, and that plug will come out. As I said, don't lose that plug down the side of the tub. So remove that, and then we can plug this one in here, and just make sure you lock that back in place with that red tab. And to get this in, lift the feet over there, a little bit of push, and you'll see that sitting in, and then you'll just need to pop these bolts back in just to secure it. All right, that's pretty straightforward. So we've done this side, it's the exact same process on the other side. And what we might do, because we've only done one, is we'll show you a quick comparison. This is the amber, that one's the factory white, so it's not an apples and apples comparison, but it will give you a pretty good idea of what the performance increase is like. Cool, so this side still has the factory, this side's updated, but we're gonna unlock that now. As you can see, here's the factory Ford one, a little bit of light coming out of that, and if we jump over to the other side, we've got a decent improvement there. So for the guys that are doing late night jobs, early morning, whatever it may be, camping job sites, available in white or amber. We just think the amber obviously looks pretty cool, but yeah, it'll be a huge upgrade for anyone needing that extra light. All right, so neat little trick for those guys that are wanting to run those lights all the time. There is actually a button just here in the dash. So bottom right to your steering wheel, just here. If you press that, even when the car's off, it'll actually power those tub lights, so you'll get a lot more use out of them. So there you have it. As you can see, it was a very easy installation, simple 1 tool, plug and play solution. They're available in white or amber, depending on your preference. Like I said, we just prefer the amber look. And yeah, be sure to follow us on socials. And if you have any questions, always reach out to us at Dexon.